All right guys, so I've got my trailer in the garage ready for the next step, and that is all of this. If you guys don't have a Craig jag like this simple one, you need to get one for woodworking. It makes a huge difference on attaching wood pieces and joining them together. It's really, really strong. Note to self, enter from the front of the trailer, not the rear.
Yeah, oh my Lord, watch me sway. Darkness falls and we all pray, hoping for the light of day. Down to the river I have held the devil's hand, felt the weight of my own sin, burdened by the heart of man. Down to the river, down to the river.
Alright guys, so I got all my main holes drilled, and the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to run 5.5 inch 3/8 bolts all the way down, and most of the outside ones will actually go through the metal angle iron and bolt this main frame, down to the trailer permanently as I get ready to frame in. So this should really not go anywhere after I get that all done. So I'll go ahead and get these drilled out the rest of the way through the metal and then get this all bolted down.
Taught me how to live, Daddy taught me how to give. Both of them had their own sins. Down to the river, every man has felt the shame. All our blood, it to the river.
All right, guys, Garrett here with Deranged, and here is my overlanding trailer. Well, getting there overlanding trailer. So I decided to do a frame, get it all paneled. I've got storage area here for extra water and a few extra things. I'm gonna try to keep the tongue as light as possible as well. I've got a door area for storage, another storage area here, and I have some plans for this area that probably won't get completely done in our budget, but they will later. And I got the same setup over here, so everything matches as well, with storage and other plans for these areas as well. Still need the roof and the back door, and have something plumb there, as you can see. Runs right along and down to the front. But anyways, so far the KRX is pulling it okay. And yeah, so great times, great competition. I told Joe and Dave, got to bring your A game. A lot of people have been saying Dave is well ahead. That's because we aren't getting to this point now. So hopefully we're starting to up the ante a little bit in the overland builds, and hopefully Joe and I will have something for Dave, because his is turning out pretty good. Joe, you got anything for Dave? Hopefully I do.